Now, how do you enable the night light on your iPad? Like turn on the night light mode? Let's explain that. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, what you're probably referring to is either the dark mode or a night shift. It both can be found in the control center when you hold down on the brightness slider. So there are like 3 buttons below. We have the true tone, night shift, and a dark mode. Dark mode basically inverts the white colors and just makes them go like black, right? So it's nicer and easier on the eyes in the dark, right? So for example, the background of the settings page is white, but with the night mode, with the dark mode, actually, you have it black, right? So it's like not doesn't emitting that much white light. The night shift, on the other hand, has the effect of filtering blue light specifically, right? So that's also another thing a lot of people enjoy because during the night you don't want to be exposed to so much blue light, and the iPad can filter that. In effect, the screen looks a little bit more yellowish, but that's like the whole point, right? So you can enable it and disable it like this. On the other hand, you can also manage those features in the settings by going to the display and brightness. So we have the appearance like light and dark at the top, so you can enable the automatic switching. I kind of like it that way. And for the night shift, we also have the scheduling options, but also the intensity, right? So with the slider there, you get to pick how yellow the screen is supposed to get or how much blue light is supposed to be filtered, right? So these are the settings people use for the night mode, right? So let me know in the comments if you managed to set up your iPad the way that you wanted. And if not, leave a comment below. Perhaps we can fix that together. But most definitely stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.